Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bayu Putra Pratama and my student ID number is 2341192. I am currently studying management. Today, I would like to present a topic in tax law with the title Understanding Tax Law in Indonesia, Principles, Taxpayer Rule, and Legal Obligation. What is tax law in Indonesia? Tax law in Indonesia serves as a legal foundation to regulate the relationship between taxpayer and the state. It encompasses legal rules relating to the determinant, collection, and supervision of tax imposed by the government. As a legal obligation, taxation is both a means of financing national development and a tool for economic policy. The Indonesia tax system is based on the principle of self-assessment, which places the responsibility of calculating, paying, and reporting tax directly on the taxpayer. Tax system in Indonesia. Indonesia implement a national tax system that includes both central and regional tax. Central taxes such as income tax PPH, value added tax VAT or PPN, and excise are managed by the Directorate General of Tax and the Directorate General of Customs and Excise. Meanwhile, local taxes are managed by regional governments and include motor vehicle tax, hotel and restaurant tax, and land and building tax. The tax structure is designed to support public service, infrastructure development, and equitable economic growth. What is a taxpayer? A taxpayer is any individual or entity, both domestic and foreign, that fulfills tax obligation in accordance with applicable tax regulation. In Indonesia, taxpayer are categorized in individual taxpayer, such as employers, entrepreneur, and professional, and corporate taxpayer, such as limited liability company, corporate first, and foundation. Every taxpayer is required to register with the tax office and obtain a taxpayer identification number and PVP, which serve their official tax identity. Right of taxpayer. Taxpayer in Indonesia are entitled to several legal rights, including the right to obtain clear and correct tax information, the right to confidently of data, the right to appeal and file objection, and the right to legal assistance in resolving tax disputes. The government is also obligated to provide transparent tax service and fair treatment. These rights are essential to ensure that the self-assessment system operates in a balanced and equitable manner. Obligation of taxpayer. In addition to right, taxpayer are also bound by obligation, such as registering as a taxpayer, calculating and paying tax accurately, reporting tax return on time, and maintaining accounting record in accordance with tax province. Not complicate with tax obligation by rate and administration penalty, intercharger, or even criminal section. The 3-4 understanding and fulfilling this obligation is critical to avoid legal issue and support the national economy. Conclusion: the future of international operational management. Indonesia tax law provides the legal structure that governs the relationship between the state and taxpayer. It's balance the need for public revenue with the protection or taxpayer right. Understanding the tax system, taxpayer category, and the responsive right and obligation is essential for ensuring compliance and fostering a fair tax environment. Continue effort in improving enforcement, public education, and policy reform will play a vital role in adapting Indonesia fiscal resilience and development goals. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye.